And today I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna make a GTA character. Yeah, if you like it, just. I already know we always gotta go. He look ugly, but he gonna look triple teamed. Already know, bruh. Y'all just leave the thing, bruh. Like, just leave it, bruh. Like, that's not my color, bro. I don't know you, bro. Stop playing with me, brother. If I clap you in your head, brother. Stop playing, brother. Yeah, me first place. Yeah, me first place. I don't need it for the power. Hey, but always sometimes. Now let me stop. No hat, kid. Watch your mouth, kid. Oh yeah. Cinema ups. All of that up. New gang. New gang. Nah, let me stop. I ain't gonna name him in the new game. I'm gonna put Chris. Nah, let me stop. Chris. Nah, let me stop. Slide on your daughter. From the bottom. But I wanna wait. What should I name him? Lisa, no, this girl name. Damn! No! I'm gonna just name him Sanjay 2.0. Sanjay. Bro, what the hell? Sanjay 2.0. I didn't even touch that. 2.0. Sanjay 2.0. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, but my son flies mo. Oh yeah, and I got some money to fix him up. Yeah, I'm gonna go hook up one of my friends so he can show me how to. Nah, he could get me the 10 joggers on this account. Make a lit alpha, you already know. Gang, gang, fang, fang. On the thing, thing. Thing, thing, gang, thing, gang, thing, fang, thing. You already know. Hook up one of my mans. Oh yeah. Walking down the street, looking fly, hit it, die. Why she wanna die? Hit her, what up? Oh. Why she do that to me? Hit up for me. Let me see which one of my friends got tan jog. Well, I know basically all my friends have the tan joggers. I'm just looking for one that I know that has a CEO. Let's hook up, young man, bruh. Let's see if young man can hook me up. Oh wait, no, Jay can hook me. Oh, I'm tweaking, bro. My son Jay, that's my son, bro. I'm telling you. Alright, I just hollered at him. I'm about to join the session. Cause you already know he gonna say yes. Now let me stop. I don't know what he's gonna say. Haha. Hold up. You can't have it. That is not bye. Yeah, baby, I said try. And I'm so happy. Bad fall up. She gonna be daddy. Yo, Jay, I'm finna join you. I'm finna, ooh. Hello, what up, let it E. Let it E. It's not even on my feet. Me, I'm a fan. Hella fan. Yeah, I just made a new character. Shoot you and your nephew. Yo, Jay. 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 Bro, where? Hey. Let me see if I still got the chop skill. I just made this new character, 120. Already know. Flight crew stand up. Yo, Jay. Oh yeah, I still got the chopping. Hey, Jay. Bro, what is you doing, bro? I'm dead to leave this party. Like, what is you straight up doing? Oh, he left the party? Yo. I don't know you anymore. Trying not to be ignored. Hey, brother. What do you mean, bro? I'm trying. You back? Jay. He kicked us out the party. I made a new character. Ah. Why you bully me? Bro, did this man... Bro, chop me because I got bull shark. Yo, like I was saying, you can help me with the 10 joggers because I made this new character. Chop me real quick. Or you can suicide chop me.
Hold up.
Suicide chop me!
Hold up. I'm a suicide chop you.
Alright.
Stop moving.
Good.
You gotta get free kills off of me. I got free kills.
Oh yeah, I only got one free kill. Alright, you could get back your kill. You don't gotta suicide chop me, just run around chop me. Alright, come on. Yeah, like I said, bro, you trying to, you know what I'm saying? Oh man. Yeah, the 10. You got a CEO, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so this easy. Oh man. Bruh, I can't believe. Oh yeah. Oh, you getting a health pack. Cool.
You used to be playing on your other account. You used to be playing. Yeah, account. You used to be playing on your other.
Are you talking about Shayla?
Yeah, your other one.
Are you talking about Shay 286?
Yeah.
I'm still, yeah. Oh, you talking about Shayla? Nah, I don't.
You?
Yeah, bro. That's because when I'm at my grandma's house, I use my other PS4, which is the Pro.
Oh, that's why you used to get on your. That's why you get on your Shay account.
Chop out. Run around chop. No, this is Shay. Yeah, this is Shay 286. I just made this new GTA character.
Ain't you used to be having a girl character on this one? I can play you first hit me on this. How did you do it?
How did I join? Well, nah, because I'm making a broadcast. So I wanted to get the 10 joggers, and I was building a new character on it. Oh man, come here, boy. Oh boy, bring that out here, boy. I hate that, bro. I'm getting bad at. Ooh.
What you getting bad at? You getting bad at chopping?
No, I'm getting bad at stumble chopping. Cause I miss like basically all of them. You see? Yo, whoa. Finally, first stumble chop this year.
You finally stumble chop me. Wow.
No, that's my first stumble chop this whole year.
Do not stumble chop. I never chop out of nowhere.
Me too. Bro, you remember the
Ain't you at your grandpa house? Is that the account? No.
You use. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait, what? Hold up, what? This game is laggy, bro. Never believe. I probably chopped you before and then it lagged and said that and you ran.
Bro, stop running in.
Hey, you mother. Ah! Ah! Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ah! Ugh.
I think you be having a girl character. I think you be having a girl character on it. Whoa! What the?
I could have sworn I just chopped you. What? No! Ah! Help! Mommy! Mommy! Mommy!
Look at my character. Look at my character.
Bro, why are you lagging?
I don't know.
My bad. Mommy! Why you bully me? Hey there, boy. What? This game is dookie. Yeah, you got lucky. Cause you lagged. Now let me stop. You didn't lag. You mother brother. You mother sucker. Don't do it now. Don't do it to yourself. Don't do it to yourself. Oh. What? Like I said, I'm getting bad at my... It's not letting me move. Don't chop me. Don't chop me. Alright. Hey there, boy. What I gotta do? Brother. Brother.
Chop out of nowhere. Get off of me. You can't get chop out of nowhere. Get off of me. You too little. I'll chop this dude out of nowhere. Watch this. I'm gonna chop out of nowhere again.
Hell no, you ain't chopping me out of nowhere no more, boy. That was your luckiest one. Luckiest ones. Hell no. I'm gonna see if I can chop out of nowhere on this account. What is this? Oh man. It's not fair.
Chop out of nowhere again.
You mother.
You chop out of nowhere.
You ain't chopping me out of nowhere this time. You better just hit me, boy. No! No, don't get help. Don't get help. Fight like a man. Fight. You mother. What?
I would have chopped you out of nowhere. No!
You mother. Yes!
No!
Chop.
No, you kicked me on.
No, bruh. No, bruh. You still had health when I kicked you. Trying to chop me out of nowhere? Huh? You mother! You mother! Brother!
Get off of me! That's still not chop out of nowhere.
I'm letting you, bro. Ah! No, not today.
No!
Bro, this is what I'm saying. I'm getting... I'm tired of you for trapping me out of nowhere. I'm gonna kick you.
You tired of me to jump out of nowhere?
What? 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 You not running. 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 You not running.
You lucky.
Ah, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mommy. 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 Wait, what? Bruh, down to God, bro. Nah, let me stop. Up to God. Oh.
I really thought you on the side. You know that, right?
That's a side chop then. If you chop me on the side. Nah, let me stop.
That's what I just said.
I know.
No! I missed my
You booty said. You booty said. You booty said. You mother. Booty cheeks. Booty cheeks. You lucky I don't have a gas can. You lucky I don't have a gas can. Mommy! Rip. Rip.
You lucky I missed my top out of nowhere.
Oh man. You lucky I missed mine. Damn. Being so lucky. You mother. You mother if you do it again. You mother. You mother. Mother. You mother. If oh my god. No! No, you mother. If you chop me one more time, I'm gonna murder you. Just like it says in the game, murdered you. Bye. Shane. Bye, Shay to a tits. You lucky. I didn't. Ooh. You so lucky. I ain't running around chopping you, boy. You so lucky, boy. No. No sides. No sides. No sides. Don't run. Don't run. Stay right here. No. Yeah. No. You mother. Come back here. Yes. 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 No, I didn't. No, I didn't. You just a sore loser. You just a sore loser. Oh, dead. No! Yeah. You mother. Kick. Qua. Big money, I mean, I'm a running up. Broken I have enough. Fly. A surprise. No, come back here. If you get a health pack, I'm gonna murder you. No, you mother.
Oh, my bad. Oh.
You mother. Mom.
Why?
He's a mother.
Why you tell?
Mom.
I saw.
He's transgender.
I need my.
He's transgender. I can't even say it right. Let me stop. Nah, don't chop me. I'm trying to play a song on my speaker. Word to I'm not trying to do the gun glitch. Do you hear it? No, I didn't turn it up yet.
No.
Oh look. Big money, I mean I'm running up. You should hear it right now. Well, it's starting. It's by Trippy Randy. Oh! Alright, chop me. Chop me. Ignore.
trying to.
Oh, snap. Bro, can you chop me? Oh! My character keeps on moving. Let me hit you once. Alright, go ahead.
Alright, stay still.
Anymore. Yeah. You can hear it now.
Yeah, I can hear it now. I can hear it now.
Yeah. Let it bang. Yeah. Let it bang.
Woo! Oh, I got that stuff out of nowhere.
What? Yo! Bro, let me turn down my mic because I don't want them to have ear rape.
Oh my God, stuff out of nowhere.
You mother. I'm getting one chop out of nowhere.
I'm getting a lot of stuff out of nowhere.
Let it. No! You better not. Yes. 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 Lay down. Yes. Yes. You lucky I don't have gasoline. Yeah, baby, you survive, you survive, and I'm gonna roll. Oh, you trying to sneak on me? What? You lagging. It's not me. Ew, no. No. That was disgusting. Who farted? Bro, you...
I need my help for let me get my help for right quick. Oh, there you go. Come on, let's fight. Why are you running?
Cause I'm trying to run around top you. Hell no. You ain't gonna do it again. You ain't gonna do it again. You ain't gonna do it again. Modi Soka. What you mean? Yeah. Yeah. No. Yes.
My mama said I gotta get off the game on quick. I gotta get off.
Right now?
Let me see that quick. Let me see. Yeah. Let me see that quick before I go off.
Nah, leave it. Leave the game. Leave the game so you can get me the 10 chocolates real quick.
Well, I gotta get off.
It's mad quick. For me, yeah. Alright, just get up the game, bro. I'm not trying to force you. Bang for me, yeah. She gon' let that shit bang for me, yeah. She gon' let that shit bang for me, yeah. Let it bang for me. Yeah, let it bang for me. What? Let it bang for me. Kid. Paper. Sorry guys for the music. Ooh. 1400 when I pulled to the bird. Let the birds walk, let the birds walk. Niggas let the birds walk. The bands over you. And my videos. It's all stuck, yeah. Bro, I'm about to reset this game, bro. You came with, you're looking for a bar.